Welcome dear student. In this video lesson I will teach you simple future active and passive form. In our previous video lesson we talked about past perfect tense. So you already know that past perfect continuous tense does not change into passive form. So we shift into simple future active and passive form. First of all, we looked into the positive sentences of simple future, active and passive form. How we change it from active into passive form. Here is the simple structure. Active sentences in the simple future have the following structure. First of all, we put subject. इसके बाद हम will और shall लगाते हैं. As you already know, will हम shall, I and we के साथ लगाते हैं and the rest pronoun we use well. First form of the verb plus object. Passive sentences in the simple future tense have the following structure. First we put object of the active sentence, which becomes subject in the passive sentences. Then we have will or shall according to helping verbs, and then we put we, and then past participle form of the verb. As you already know, we use past participle form of the verb, what we call third form of the verb throughout the passive form. And then by subject of the active sentences, जो यहाँ पर हमारे पास object में चला जाता है. Here are some example of the positive sentences of active voice into passive voice. We shall take the horses to the stable. The horses will be taken to the stable. It does not necessary value or just write us here by us. It still is good in good form. We shall take the horses to the stable. So the stable is here as an object. It becomes the subject. Here the horse. We shall take the horse to the stable. The horse will be taken to the stable. Okay, sorry. We shall take the horse to the stable. Here we have the horse as an object. Horse become the subject, and then we put the helping verb well and be, and then verb third form taken, and then we have object. Will the manager sign the contract tomorrow? Will the contract be signed by the manager tomorrow? In the above sentence, we have two objects. You can see we shall take the horse to the stable. So, the horse is one object and the stable is another. So, when we have two objects, first we put the one, the horse will be taken to the stable, and the second is preceding by preposition. Will the manager sign the contract tomorrow? Will the contract be signed by the manager tomorrow? Will the boss give me a job? Will I be given a job by the boss? Ali will sing a song will be sung by Ali. Here we have a negative sentences. How we change a negative sentences into the passive form. First of all, we looked into the structure of it. Active voice में हमारे पास subject, will, shall and not, first form of the verb and then object. The only difference between the positive and negative sentences, we only put not between the helping verb and first form of the verb. हम सिर्फ not को क्या करते हैं, helping verb और main verb के दरमियान में लिख लेते हैं. The passive form वही तरीक़ेकार है. First the object become into the subject. हम object को पहले लिखते हैं, object of the active sentences. Then will, shall, helping verb and then not be. यहाँ पर हम जब भी किसी tense को हम passive बनाते हैं तो we put the helping verb of the coming tense. तो यहाँ पर be जो है वो फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस टेंस का वेल शैल बी का हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, तो हम उसके दरमियान में नॉट लगाएंगे. पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब and what we called it third form of the verb, and then we have by subject of the active sentences which जो हमारे पास यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्टिव केस में लिख दिया जाएगा. she will not help us. Us here is an object which change into subjective case. We will not be helped by her. she हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्टिव केस में आ जाएगा. We will not visit the hill station this year. The hill station will not be visited by us this year. When time is indicated in active voice, so you have to indicate the time in passive voice at the end of a sentence. You can see here this year, so we just put it at the end of a sentence, this year. We shall not betray our country. So our country shall not be betrayed by us. Now we have interrogative sentences. How we change interrogative sentences of future simple tense into passive form. The passive form of these sentences begin with will or shall. As you already know that we put the helping verb at the beginning of a sentence in interrogative sentences. First of all, we have will shall, which is the helping verb, and then we have a subject, then verb first form, then object. पैसिव फॉर्म में वेल शल ही पहले आएगा, फिर हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ द एक्टिव वॉइस, जो ऑब्जेक्ट होगा एक्टिव वॉइस का वो पहले आ जाएगा, देन वी फुड बी, देन वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म, देन प्रीपोजिशन और बाय सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द एक्टिव वॉइस, जो यहाँ पर हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्ट में चला जाएगा. Here are some example. Will you help him? So will he be helped by you? Well, him जो हमारे पास है वो सब्जेक्टिव केस में आ गया. Then we put the helping verb be, verb third form, and you जो हमारे पास है तो you सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्टिव केस में सेम ही रहता है. Will you not help me? Shall I not be helped by you? So you can see here we put shall because I have already told you we put shall as a helping verb with I and we. Will they accept our invitation? Well, our invitation we accepted by them. So here's our lecture is end up. Now I am giving you a home assignment. You have to write the whole slides in your neat notebook. Understand the lesson through video lesson. Memorize the rule and structure of the future, simple tense and active and passive form. You have to write the whole slides in your neat notebook and you have to memorize. और अपने इसको memorize करना है, ज़ुबानी याद रखनी है इसके रूल्स एंड स्ट्रक्चर को, और कम से कम 5 एग्जाम्पल बनाने हैं पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव एंड इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस के. So lecture is end of. See you soon in the next class. Allah Hafiz.